Hello everyone, today we will explore unique Flux workflow for image-to-image generation. Firstly, we have the Flux dev model set in parallel with Depth and Turbo Alpha LoRA. The dual clip loader integrates the standard files for Flux generations. We have the prompt description here with the guidance rate as well. In here we have the Flux Redux node setup, with the depth map processors for the input image. And let's start generating. As we can see, the generations have relates the input image, style reference, as well as the prompt to produce such outputs. That's it for now. Hope you enjoyed and learned from it. Check out the workflow through Patreon. Thank you for watching.